It has always been challenging to find quality spare parts for tractors, go-karts, and trailers. Therefore, to help you overcome this problem, we bring Quality Spares International for you. QSI is the go-to place for you to find quality spare parts like lawnmower parts, tractor parts, trailer parts, snowblower parts, snowplow parts, golf parts, go-kart parts, garage door parts, poultry parts, automobile parts, and much more. As the name suggests, Quality Spare International doesn't compromise with its quality because customer satisfaction is our utmost priority. We provide you with the best spare parts that you will ever find. QSI has the range of 6,000 parts currently, which we carry for online sellers and wholesale distributors. We also make customized products with customer branding and packing. We specialize in developing products made up of steel, rubber, plastics, and aluminum. Quality Spares International is helping people with their best spare parts since 2013. The organization is not only the manufacturer who sells the spare parts designed only by them, but QSI is also up for collaborating with other manufacturers who are in the same business. If you deal in spare parts and want to build a demand for your product, there is no better place than collaborating with Quality Spares International as a trader. Once you start trading with QSI, your product will definitely gain recognition because the organization is only up for trading with companies or local businesses whose products are outstanding. And we already have a good client base who appreciate versatile and quality products. In this way, Quality Spares International is a B2B platform where we export the best quality spare parts. QSI also maintains minimum inventory level for all products for fast dispatch. So, if you are someone who is looking for a reliable manufacturer of spare parts for your tractor, golf carts, go-kart parts, and many such things, then prefer Quality Spares International because you are our priority and we never dissatisfy our customers.